and welcome back to my channel. So yes, we are back with yet another series and this time मैंने सोचा कि विंटर आउटफिट्स के ऊपर कुछ बनाया जाए since winter is here and काफ़ी जगह बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड है. So yeah, and also आजियो पे 2 to 3 weeks ago बहुत ज़्यादा बम्पर सेल चल रहा था. So at that time मैंने विंटर की ही शॉपिंग की and I bought a few sweaters and sweatshirts for me. Now talking about winter outfits, let me tell you what is my preference. Like I always give preference to sweaters and sweatshirts. जैकेट्स इज़ समथिंग मैं बहुत कम यूज़ करती हूँ, मुझे इतना ज़्यादा पसंद भी नहीं है एंड ऑल्सो आई वेरी बैड इन स्टाइलिंग अ जैकेट. सो या I actually love sweaters, cute sweaters, and funky sweatshirts. So if you are also that type, then this video is surely going to be useful for you. So without further ado, let's just get started with the haul. Okay, so let's talk about first one, and it is something which I really love. मुझे high neck sweaters और pullovers बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. So I went up with this one which I'm wearing, and it's from the brand Outret. This is a purple high neck sweater actually. So at its original costing was 1049, but I purchased it during sale, so I got it for 750. Now talking about this sweater, there's a small drawback. Let me tell you guys before you go on to opt for this one. App में तो ये purple side में दिख रहा था, and that was the reason why I actually purchased it, because I really liked that color which was shown in the app. But in reality ये थोड़ा सा pinkish side में आ गया है. Like the difference इतना भी ज़्यादा नहीं है, but yeah, I think I should tell you guys. So yeah, that's a small drawback. Rest is like all fine, like the material and everything, it's quite cozy. एकदम पतला सा knitted नहीं है, काफ़ी मोटा सा है as you can see, and the statement sleeves are also one big another thing of this sweater. Like थोड़े से वो अलग है, balloon type sleeves है, and of course the high neck one. But if you're like my body type and if you want to go out with this sweater, then please go on for M size. Like मैंने गलती की, मैंने S size में ख़रीदा है, and that's the reason why ये थोड़ा सा मेरे को एकदम fitted type आ चुका है, which I personally don't like, because pullovers, sweatshirts and everything ये थोड़ा सा एक size ऊपर लेना चाहिए. वो loose जितने होते हैं ना उतने ही वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं. Like you can just do like that. ये मेरे को इतना छोटा सा हो चुका है कि मैं इसको कुछ खींच ही नहीं पा रही हूँ. So yeah, that's about my first sweater. Let's talk about my second purchase, and I went up with a sweatshirt this time, but with these type of collars. Like the whole sweatshirt is quite plain, but इसका जो statement thing है वो इसका collar है, and also it has these embellishments at the collar which looks very cute. Now this is something very basic, but मेरे पास ऐसा कुछ था नहीं with the collar thing, so I thought of going on with this one. And I think there was a white sweatshirt and a black collar, and black sweatshirt and a white collar. So ऐसे दो टाइप के थे, but I went up with the black one. टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस वन, एक्चुअली इसका मटेरियल बहुत ज़्यादा मोटा नहीं है, थोड़ा सा पतला साइड में आता है, बट ओवरऑल मुझे ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा है. ऑल्सो आई वेंट अप विथ साइज M फॉर दिस, बट अब ये मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा लूज़ हो गया है, सो आई नीड टू गो अप one size smaller and I need to exchange this actually for S size. So पहला वाला जो था वो अगर आप मेरे बॉडी टाइप जैसे हो, जैसे कि मैंने कहा, then please go with one size bigger, and ये वाला please go with one size smaller. So yeah, but overall ये बहुत ही अच्छा पीस है. Like you can surely go on with this. कभी कभी you don't feel like wearing outfits, some certain outfits during this winter time especially, तो ऐसे टाइम पे you can just walk for this sweatshirt, a pair of your jeans, shoes, and yeah, you're just so good to go. So yeah, that's about my second piece. Also this was for 825, but during sale time I got it for 600, which was a very good price. So yeah. Now for my third one, I went up with a jacket, but not with the normal jacket. I went up with a crop jacket, जो कि कुछ तो मुझे नया लगा, and of course मेरे पास crop jacket कुछ ऐसा था नहीं. So I went up with this ब्लैक कलर क्रॉप जैकेट। ये एकदम क्रॉप है, लाइक छोटू सा यहाँ तक ही आएगा आपको। बट आई रियली लाइक द नेक पैटर्न ऑफ दिस। जैसे वो नॉर्मल होते हैं ना, वैसा नहीं है इसका नेक, इट्स like this, like kind of that Chinese collar. So that's the reason why I went up with this one. Also the sleeves has the same pattern. If you're someone who loves to wear crop tops during winter seasons as well, and you know you want to layer it with a jacket, so such type of jackets are very useful. इसका इतना कुछ यूज़ नहीं होता है during winter, like to be very honest with you guys, or because मतलब क्या बनता है, आपको ठंड तो लगेगी because it's crop, you know. So yeah, but just to add on that something fashionable stuffs to your winter collection, you can surely opt for this type of jacket. Now this was not that worth of buying, like let me tell you honestly, this was originally costing at 1500, and after discount also I think it costed me 900. So इतना कुछ वर्थ नहीं है, बट लाइक ऑफ कोर्स मुझे पर्सनली जैकेट्स इतने पसंद नहीं है. सो या, बट इफ़ यू आर समवन हु लव्स wearing jackets and you want to go out with a crop jacket as well, so you can go out with a basic black jacket जो कि सबके सारे outfits पे mostly आएगा ही आएगा. So yeah, that's about my third piece. Okay, so let's talk about my last purchase of this haul, and it is the most favorite amongst all of these. इन सब में मेरा ये सबसे ज़्यादा favorite है, and it is a puff sleeve high neck sweater. Now this is not white, actually it comes kind of to the beige color, and it has a high neck, not like proper जैसा इसका है, but the basic high neck and a puff sleeve over here. So this is something which I really loved about this outfit, and I just loved overall as well. ये मतलब ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. This is completely like my style, this fits my style, and इसका मटेरियल भी बहुत ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट है. लाइक इट्स वेरी सॉफ्ट, इट्स वेरी कोजी. इतना पतला भी नहीं है बट इतना मोटा भी नहीं है, सो यू कैन गो फॉर दिस वन. इन फैक्ट आई वुड सजेस्ट यू टू प्लीज़ गो फॉर दिस वन. बट अभी मैं जब चेक करी थी तो ये ऑलरेडी आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो चुका है. इनफैक्ट व्हेन आई वाज बाइंग तब भी फ्यू पीसेस लेफ्ट ही दिख रहा था, एंड अभी जब मैं प्राइसेस चेक करने के लिए वापस से गई तो इट वाज ऑलरेडी आउट ऑफ स्टॉक. But you can add it to your wish list, maybe you know it will come again, and please go for this one, you're surely gonna love it. इसको आप किसी भी तरीके से स्टाइल कर सकते हो, like basic style, or you know layer it with another outfits. So high neck is something you can style in many ways, and that's the reason why I love high necks. And of course winters में high neck तो होना ही चाहिए, and you can really go on with this one. Now this actually costed me for 755 rupees, and originally it was costing for 1043. So after discount मुझे 755 में मिला है. And of course I'll link it down in the description box. I would really suggest you to go on for this one. I really loved this. So yeah, that's about my last outfit. So yeah guys, with that we come to the end of this mini winter appropriate haul. If you're someone like me जिसको sweaters, sweatshirts ज़्यादा पसंद है, तो आपको इसमें से कुछ भी अच्छा लगा तो I am going to link it down everything in the description box. You can surely check it out. Also Ajio पे ना सेल चलता ही रहता है, like कुछ ना कुछ तो चलता ही रहता है. So what you can do is just add it to your wish list and just have a look after 2 to 3 days. And उसकी prices आपको जब भी लाइक कम लगे तो यू कैन श्योरली ऑर्डर. ऑल्सो कूपन्स तो बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं ऑन आजियो, सो यू कैन ऑल्सो ऑप्ट फॉर अ कूपन. And yeah, I hope you really liked this video and it was helpful for you. Please don't forget to put a thumbs up, and if you want to know anything about this video then you can ask me in the comment section below. Also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll meet you soon with the next one. Till then, bye.